existing champion pigeon family is exciting, but it's also a difficult process and a choice. It has taken 1 year to build up a great family, and when you introduce new pigeons, you want to make sure that you do introduce only the very best in order to achieve new heights and new successes. So I'm super excited about my latest addition to my loft. This 2-year-old hen is out of the world famous Het Goed Grys pigeons from the Gebroeders Leideman. Now this hen was bred in the Netherlands, and she's 2 years old, but from the super Het Goed Grys lines. Now I received the pigeon about 2 weeks ago, and it's absolute a pearler. She's a super handler, a medium in size, bullet-like handler. She's got the high closed vents, the beautiful wings, a silky plumage. So I'm confident that I did make the right choice of adding this 2-year-old Het Goed Grys hen to my champion Blauwbal family. So I'm going to introduce her to the loft in the new year, and I think she will take the family a step forward towards new greater achievements, and it will better my loft. So from the Gebroeders Leideman, this great Het Goed Grys hen. So now the next difficult choice is to decide to which breeding cock I'm going to mate her, but I will make the choice in the next week or two. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I say, I'm really excited and glad I bought this Het Goed Grys hen, the world famous stuff.